The Chinese open source models, and I get into that in a moment, are proving very popular globally.
And if it's going to happen, we have to take the lead over China. China's the primary threat in terms of that. It's really powerful stuff, AI. So let's see how it all works out.
China has caught up in the last 6 months in a way that is remarkable. One, for example, is called DeepSeek.
The race for artificial general intelligence, AGI, between the United States and China is not just a technological contest. It's a silent war with stakes higher than any military conflict. While traditional warfare depends on weapons and armies, this battle is fought with algorithms, data, and innovation. AGI, a level of machine intelligence capable of human-like reasoning, decision-making, and problem-solving, has the potential to reshape global power dynamics. Whoever wins this race will not just lead in technology, but will also control the future of economies, military strategies, and even societal structure. China is emerging as a frontrunner in this AGI war, leveraging its massive investments in AI research and development, government-backed initiatives, and a vast pool of data. For example, China's 2017 Next Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan declared its ambition to become the global leader in AI by 2030. Companies like Baidu, Tencent, and Alibaba are heavily funded to drive AI innovation. The unveiling of Axio, Alibaba's revolutionary AI agent, underscores China's commitment to surpassing the U.S. in AGI development. By comparison, the U.S. still relies on private sector players like OpenAI and Google DeepMind, often constrained by ethical debates and regulatory scrutiny. The relentless focus of Chinese tech giants and the state's centralized support give it a competitive edge. As this race heats up, the question remains, will AGI usher in global harmony or unprecedented divide? Welcome back to our channel AI Finds. Today we're exploring how China is outpacing its competitors, including the USA, in the race for artificial general intelligence, AGI. We'll uncover the strategies driving China's dominance and see how it's poised to surpass the United States in this groundbreaking technological war. Let's dive right in. AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is the next evolution of AI. While current AI models like ChatGPT or DALL-E excel at specific tasks, AGI represents the creation of systems with the cognitive abilities to learn, reason, and solve problems across any domain without specific training. Think of it as a machine capable of functioning with human-level intelligence, but faster, more efficient, and without limitations like fatigue. AGI is often likened to science fiction scenario. Imagine an AI capable of understanding complex medical research and devising treatments, or a robot that can comprehend and perform any job, from driving to artistic creation. While the idea of AGI is ambitious, its implications could be revolutionary, redefining industries, enhancing productivity, and even addressing existential challenges like climate change and pandemics. Predicting the arrival of AGI is tricky, but experts, including Sam Altman, have offered some insight. Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has stated that AGI is coming in 2025. In a 2024 interview, he emphasized that OpenAI's mission is not only to build AGI, but also to ensure it benefits all of humanity. The timeline for AGI is hotly debated among researchers. Some believe it could arrive as early as 2030, while others argue that significant breakthroughs are still decades away. Key milestones like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google DeepMind's AlphaGo show progress in creating systems capable of reasoning and decision-making. However, the leap from specialized intelligence to AGI, China is not far behind in the AGI race regarding its coming. The Chinese government's aggressive AI strategy, outlined in its 2017 AI development plan, aims to make the country a global AI leader by 2030. Here are some leading Chinese companies working on AGI. Baidu, often referred to as the Google of China, Baidu is not just a search engine giant, it's a powerhouse in AGI research. Its groundbreaking ERNIE models, designed for deep language understanding, are giving tough competition to OpenAI's GPT. Unlike its U.S. counterparts, Baidu benefits from state backing and access to China's vast, unrestricted data pool, enabling it to train more robust and versatile AI systems. This access gives Baidu a significant edge in scaling AGI innovations across industry. Alibaba Damo Academy, Alibaba's premier research institute, is setting the stage for the future of AGI by focusing on foundational technologies that bridge enterprise and consumer applications. From advanced natural language processing to AI-driven decision-making systems, Damo's approach is both innovative and highly strategic. Unlike Unlike U.S. firms, which often face fragmented funding and regulatory bottlenecks, Alibaba enjoys a seamless integration of resources and long-term government support, accelerating its path toward AGI dominance. Tencent AI Lab. Tencent leverages its unparalleled expertise in gaming, social media, and entertainment to develop advanced AI models with real-world applications. This integration allows Tencent to refine user behavior predictions and create interactive AGI systems. In contrast, many U.S. tech giants, while excelling in research, lack Tencent's deep ecosystem approach, giving Tencent a unique advantage in deploying AGI. Huawei. As a global leader in telecommunications, Huawei is integrating AI into both hardware and software ecosystems. Its focus on AI-powered infrastructure, such as AI-driven chips and smart devices, positions Huawei as a key player in AGI development. Unlike U.S. firms that often separate software and hardware innovations, Huawei's holistic strategy enables faster and more cohesive AGI advancements. In comparison, U.S. companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft excel in innovation, but face significant challenges, including ethical debates, regulatory scrutiny, and fragmented public-private partnerships. Chinese tech giants, supported by centralized government policies and access to vast user data, have a unified and accelerated approach to AGI, giving them a clear advantage in this critical race. According to a 2024 report by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, at least 12 major Chinese companies are making significant strides in AGI development. China's centralized policies and substantial funding provide these companies with unparalleled resources. Let's take a look on the recent advancements in artificial general intelligence within the United States have sparked a range of critical perspectives concerning governmental initiatives, private sector developments, and academic research. Government initiatives, Manhattan Project-style initiative, the U.S.-China Economic and Security Review Commission's recommendation for a large-scale AGI project has raised concerns about potential parallels to the original Manhattan Project, which, while technologically groundbreaking, also led to significant ethical and geopolitical dilemmas. Critics caution that such an approach might prioritize rapid development over ethical considerations, potentially neglecting the societal impacts of AGI. Regulatory discussions. The current discourse on AGI regulation has been critiqued for lacking specificity and actionable frameworks. There is apprehension that without concrete guidelines, discussions may not translate into effective oversight, leaving significant risks unmitigated. Private sector developments. OpenAI's rapid advancements have been met with scrutiny regarding the transparency and safety of deploying powerful AI systems. Concerns persist about the potential for unintended consequences, such as the dissemination of misinformation or the reinforcement of biases if these technologies are released without adequate safeguards. Industry investment. The substantial investments by tech giants in AGI research have led to fears of monopolistic control over AI technologies. This concentration of resources may stifle competition and limit diverse perspectives in AGI development, potentially resulting in technologies that do not adequately serve the broader public interest. Academic perspectives, research benchmarks. While AI models have demonstrated impressive capabilities in specific tasks, experts argue that equating these achievements with human-like intelligence is premature. There is a risk that overestimating current AI capabilities could lead to complacency in addressing the complex challenges that true AGI presents. While the U.S. is making significant strides in AGI development, critical viewpoints highlight the necessity for a balanced approach that emphasizes ethical considerations, equitable resource distribution, and comprehensive regulatory frameworks to ensure that AGI advancements benefit society as a whole. What do you think about the ongoing war on AGI between China and USA? Let us know in the comment below.